Hi there, and welcome to our presentation on Earth and Environmental Science programs in the Faculty of Science at the University of Waterloo. My name is Alicia Marr, and I'm the Recruitment Coordinator for the Faculty of Science, and I'm so excited to tell you all about our different specializations in Earth Sciences and Environmental Science. Before we jump in, I would like to take the time to share with you the University of Waterloo's territorial acknowledgement. The University of Waterloo acknowledges that much of our work takes place on the traditional territory of the Neutral, Anishinaabe, and Haudenosaunee people. Our main campus is situated on the Haldeman Tract, which is land granted to the Six Nations that includes 6 miles on each side of the Grand River. Our active work towards reconciliation takes place across our campuses through research, learning, teaching, and community building, and is centralized within the Office of Indigenous Relations. Within the Faculty of Science, we have our Science Indigenous Initiatives, which is the central hub for First Nations, Inuit, and Métis students, researchers, staff, faculty, and allies, all within the Faculty of Science, which provides community guidance, support, and resources to strengthen our shared vision of reconciliation. Feel free to reach out and connect with us at sciendig@uwaterloo.ca. There are 3 specializations in each of the Earth Science and Environmental Science programs. In Earth Sciences, which is a physical sciences entry program, you can specialize in either geology, geophysics, or hydrogeology. And in Environmental Science, you can specialize in either ecology, geoscience, or water science. Geology is a specialization offered in earth sciences and is the study of Earth, its structure and composition, and the physical, chemical, and biological processes that affect it. In this program, you're able to explore our natural resources like minerals, oil, gas, and water, and the geological hazards that impact us and be able to understand global climate change. It's a co-op program, and graduates can work in fields like mining, fieldwork, or geological research and mapping. Geophysics is another specialization offered in earth sciences and is the combination of mathematics and physics and earth science to study the incredible phenomena that occur within, on the surface, and in the atmosphere of our planet. Geophysicists are often involved in helping evaluate things like earthquakes, volcanoes, geomagnetic occurrences, and the effects of nuclear hazards. Co-op is available in this program, and possible career fields include geophysics research and hazard remediation. The last specialization available in earth sciences is hydrogeology. Hydrogeology focuses on the terrestrial, subsurface, and geochemical makeup of water to help understand and better protect this most vital and precious resource. Co-op is available for this program, and career opportunities include groundwater research, environmental consulting, and water remediation. Ecology is a specialization that's available in environmental science. Ecology focuses on studying biological ecosystems and how human and non-human influences can impact the environment. Co-op is available for this program, and graduates can pursue careers in the field of ecology, resource management, and sustainability. Geoscience is another specialization available for environmental science students. Geoscience is all about assessing the environmental impact of living organisms, including humans, on Earth systems. This includes things like industry, urbanization, agriculture, and mining. Co-op is available for this program and can help prepare you for a career in mining, field research, environmental consulting, or resource protection. The last specialization in environmental science is the water science specialization. The water science program is designed to provide students with the skills and knowledge to address global challenges relating to water, including scarcity, quality, and management. Water science focuses on the quality, quantity, distribution, and movement of water in the environment. Co-op is available for this program, and possible career fields include groundwater remediation, environmental consulting, and field research. And if you're not sure which program you want to enroll in, or you're not sure which area of science you want to study, Honor Science might be the right place for you. It's our most flexible science program that allows you to focus on the areas of science that you're really interested in. It is also a recommended program for people who want to pursue professional schools like optometry and pharmacy because it allows you the flexibility to take the prerequisite courses that you need to get into those programs. It's very flexible, so you can also add things like minors and take many electives. But it's important to note that this program is a regular system of study only and does not offer co-op. The career fields for this program are pretty much endless, as you can really tailor your degree to study in the different types of science that you really like. I'd say lots of our graduates go into things like healthcare, education, and research, but really you could go into any field of science after this degree. In the Faculty of Science, we want you to be able to customize your degree to your liking, which is why it's mandatory to specialize in both earth science and environmental science. These programs are for students who love the outdoors and want to protect our planet. Whether you're interested in studying rocks, water, soil, air, or how we interact with the earth science and environmental science might be the right fit for you. You can also add minors to specialize your degree even more. Some common minors we see from earth and environmental science students include environmental resources and sustainability, biology, and chemistry. With both the earth and environmental science programs, you can graduate with the requirements to complete your professional geoscientist certification to become a PGO or a professional geoscientist, which can help you then in your career. Both of these programs and all of their specializations offer experiential learning, which means you get hands-on experience through labs, tutorials, and co-op placements. Some common skills you'll attain in these earth and environmental science specializations include problem solving, critical thinking, and fieldwork. You can then take these skills and apply them directly to the field of your choosing in our co-op programs. Some of our common co-op employers for earth and environmental science programs include Environment and Climate Change Canada, Natural Resources Canada, and the City of Waterloo. Each of these programs will open doors to many different career opportunities, including environmental consulting, geological exploration, and energy and natural resources. But what makes Waterloo Science stand out amongst other schools? Well, something really important to note is that you get to start your major on day one. This means that when you apply to be, let's say, a biochemistry student, you actually are a biochemistry student on the first day that you start at school. This means that you get to focus your studies and acquire your knowledge faster because you start your major immediately rather than taking a general first year. You can then use your electives to customize your degree and to really study your passions. These programs offer you a chance to get outside and explore with the world being your classroom. We have popular field courses that test your observational and interpretational skills, and they're a great way to get your hands dirty and really dig into the science. As an earth and environmental science student, you'll get to use our highly specialized labs in our science buildings, but you'll also get to explore nature's labs, whether that be wading through water in a creek or collecting rock samples. Both of these labs will allow you to challenge your experimentation skills, learn from your failures, and become more confident in your abilities. On campus, we have our Earth Sciences Museum, which hosts an impressive and extensive collection of rocks, minerals, fossils, and even includes a replica mine tunnel and Albertosaurus skeleton. The museum is a great place to hang out between your classes, and it also offers awesome volunteer and job opportunities to earth and environmental science students. If you have any questions or would like any information on any of the science programs, please feel free to reach out and connect with us by email at science@uwaterloo.ca. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you on campus one day.